Ja sam Petrina Čakar, profesor po angliški jezik po gimnazija dr. Ibrahim Temo Struga. Dobrodošli na časopis po angliški jezik za prva godina gimnazijsko obrazovanje. Nastavната единица, която я обработим на овој час, е обработка на вокабулар, колокации и израз. Dear students, welcome to today's online lesson, Collocations and Expressions. The aim of this lesson is to understand different types of collocations and expressions and use them properly in sentences. Let's start. Collocations and expressions. Collocations and expressions are two or more words that are usually used together and sound natural to native speakers of English. Look at this table. Here we have natural English and unnatural English. In the natural English part we have the fast train, fast food. On the other hand, we have the quick train, quick food. We can notice that this group of words sound more natural when spoken. Moreover, a quick shower and a quick meal also sounds more natural than a fast shower or a fast meal. So these here are collocations, and when put together, they sound natural to native speakers of English. But you should remember that not all group of words are collocations. Some words fit together and some do not. For example, there was hard traffic on the way to the center. Hard traffic. This doesn't sound natural. So instead of this, we are supposed to use there was terrible traffic on the way to the center, there was heavy traffic on the way to the center, or there was bad traffic on the way to the center. So the first sentence is not correct. And the second one with the two given options is it. However, there are several different types of collocations. Collocations can be adjective plus adverb, noun plus noun, verb plus noun, and so on. Below, you can see seven main types of collocations in sample sentences. First, we have adverb plus adjective. We entered a richly decorated room. Are you fully aware of the implications of your action? So here, richly decorated, richly adverb, decorated adjective. Fully adverb, aware adjective. We have adverb plus adjective type of collocation. The second type of collocation is adjective plus noun. The doctor ordered him to take regular exercise. He was writing on the ground in excruciating pain. Adjective plus noun, excruciating pain. The third one, noun plus noun. Let's give Mr. Jones a round of applause. I'd like to buy 2 bars of soap, please. Round of applause, noun plus noun. Bars of soap, noun plus noun. Number 4, noun plus verb. The lion started to roar when it heard the dog barking. The bomb went off when he started the car engine. The lion started to roar, dog barking, bomb went off. All of these are examples of noun plus verb collocation. 5. Verb plus noun. I always try to do my homework in the morning after making my bed. He has been asked to give a presentation about his work. Verb plus noun, making my bed. Verb plus noun, give a presentation. Number 6. Verb plus expression with preposition. We had to return home because we had run out of money. At first, her eyes filled with horror, and then she burst into tears. The verb plus expression with preposition. Had run out of money, burst into tears, filled with horror. And the last type of collocation, verb plus adverb. She placed her keys gently on the table and sat down. Mary whispered softly in John's ear. Placed her keys gently. Verb plus adverb. Whispered softly. Verb plus adverb. However, the most common collocations in English are with everyday verbs such as do, make, get, give, have. Here is a table with the most common collocations with everyday verbs and an example sentence. Collocation to make the bed. Example, I need to make the bed every day. To do homework. My son does his homework after dinner. To take a risk. Some people don't take enough risks in life. To give someone advice. The teacher gave us some advice on taking tests. Now I will give you a list of collocations and expressions. Get married. Get divorced. Keep a secret. Keep a diary. Have sympathy. Have a family. Pay a visit. Pay a compliment. Fall to pieces. Fall in love. Your task is to use this list of collocations and expressions and write your own sentence. So use each of these collocation and expressions and write your own sentences in order to practice this part, this vocabulary part of the English grammar. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.